Whenever I tell people that our ancestors is active, they are doubting. Our ancestors, they are waking up. They want to take back their land. Very, very active. They want to take back their land. It will happen. It will happen. We Africa, we are rising up. You know, they like, see, just imagine this pastor. Just imagine this pastor. See the kind of preaching when they give. You know, see, whenever I tell them, say, church, we follow from what they use in slavery, where they use locals, make us know the thing, they listen like a human being. Religion, follow for what they use local our brain. But inside there, thank God for this pastor. He don't they preach. Because the pastor where they do like other pastors now, he don't change, he don't know the real facts. Don't be saying he know him, but he's tired of scamming people. Ike iri ndị mmadụ ọrụ agwa adozie uche nji aka ntị adịkwa